Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the extraction process, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and disconnect it from any power source. This step is crucial for your safety and to avoid any damage to the device. Next, place the laptop upside down on your clean workspace. Locate the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 8 Phillips screws. Carefully unscrew them using your Phillips head screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover. You can use a plastic spudger for this purpose to avoid damaging the casing. Be cautious as you lift the cover, there might be some clips holding it in place. Now, you're looking at the internal components of your laptop. Locate the BIOS chip, which is usually near the battery or the motherboard. It's essential to take your time here, and if you're not confident, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, to extract the BIOS, you may need to use a specialized software tool. Connect your laptop to another computer using a USB drive, ensuring you have the correct BIOS extraction software downloaded. If you don't have the tools or understanding to proceed, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. It's designed for your convenience, eliminating the need for calls or travel. Once you have the software ready, follow the on-screen instructions to select the BIOS chip and begin the extraction. This process can take a few moments, so be patient. Make sure you do not interrupt the extraction as it could corrupt the BIOS. After the extraction is complete, save the BIOS file on your USB drive. This file can now be used for various purposes, such as backups or upgrades. If you ever need assistance with repairs, we ensure a quote before you proceed, so you know exactly what to expect. After saving the BIOS, carefully reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back onto the laptop and ensure it's securely in place. Reinsert all screws and tighten them gently but firmly. Remember, over-tightening can damage the laptop. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you face any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We're here to assist you with any technical troubles you might encounter, ensuring a smooth experience with your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.